Beautiful Pakistan.
A land of contrasts. The documentary could open with sweeping aerial shots of Pakistan's varied landscapes, the towering mountains of the north, the fertile plains of the Indus Valley, the deserts of Sindh and Punjab, and the long coastline along the Arabian Sea. The narrator might introduce Pakistan as a country of immense natural beauty, rich history, and cultural diversity, home to over 240 million people. 2. Geography and natural beauty. This segment could explore the diverse topography of Pakistan, focusing on some of its most famous natural landmarks: the northern areas, the Karakoram, Himalayas, and Hindu Kush mountain ranges, featuring peaks like K2 and Nanga Parbat, often referred to as the Killer Mountain. This part might include footage of glaciers, rivers, and valleys like Hunza and Skardu, valleys and lakes, highlighting beautiful spots like Swat Valley, Neelam Valley, and lakes such as Saif-ul-Muluk and Adabad Lake. The deserts, sweeping shots of the Thar and Cholistan deserts, capturing the barren yet striking beauty of the sand dunes. The coastline, the scenic beaches of Gwadar and Karachi, as well as the important strategic port of Gwadar. 3. Cultural diversity and heritage. This section would delve into Pakistan's rich cultural heritage, showcasing the diverse ethnicities and traditions. Historical sites, the ancient ruins of Mohenjo-Daro and Harappa, Indus Valley civilization, Buddhist stupas in Taxila, and Mughal-era architectural masterpieces like Lahore Fort, Badshahi Mosque, and the iconic Shalimar Gardens. Traditional festivals, celebrations like Basant in Lahore, the Kalash Festival in the Kalash Valley, and Eid festivities could be featured, emphasizing Pakistan's vibrant and festive spirit. Ethnic diversity, from the Punjabi and Sindhi farmers in the plains, to the Pashtun tribes of the northwest, the Baluchi nomads of the southwest, and the unique Kalash people in the north, the documentary could explore the distinct cultures and languages that make up the Pakistani identity. 4th, natural resources and economy. The documentary would move to focus on Pakistan's rich natural resources, agriculture, the fertile plains of Punjab and Sindh, where wheat, rice, sugarcane, and cotton are grown, making Pakistan one of the leading agricultural countries in the world. Minerals and energy, the Reko Dik gold and copper mines, Thar coal reserves, and hydroelectric projects on the Indus River, such as Tarbela Dam and Mangla Dam. Footage of natural gas fields and developing renewable energy sectors, solar and wind, could be highlighted. Industrial growth. Karachi as the industrial hub, with an emphasis on textiles, sports goods, like Sialkot's famous footballs, and the emerging tech industry. 5. Challenges and resilience. Pakistan has faced numerous challenges, and this section might touch on political instability. A brief look at Pakistan's political history, from partition in 1947 to the present, explaining the impacts of military rule, democratic governments, and the struggle for stability. Security issues, the fight against terrorism in the north and west, how Pakistan has combated extremism, and the sacrifices made by its people and security forces. Environmental issues, flooding, deforestation, and the threat of climate change, as well as efforts being made to address these challenges. 6. Modern Pakistan, progress and innovation. This part of the documentary could showcase Pakistan's strides towards development and modernization, education and science, highlighting institutions like LUMS and Aga Khan University, as well as Pakistan's space program, nuclear technology, and contributions to science. Tech and innovation, featuring Pakistan's growing IT sector and startups, particularly in cities like Karachi, Lahore, and Islamabad. Tourism revival. Pakistan has recently become a top destination for adventure tourism, with a focus on trekking, mountaineering, and cultural tourism. The documentary could show how the country is becoming increasingly open to international tourists, architecture. 7. The spirit of the people. This segment would focus on the warmth, resilience, and hospitality of the Pakistani people. Everyday life, footage of bustling cities, rural farming communities, and marketplaces where the vibrant life of Pakistan is on full display. Art and music, traditional Qawwali music, Sufi poetry, and the thriving film and television industry, Lollywood, along with modern-day musicians and artists who are gaining international recognition.